So CLSA has come out with a note on the commentaries, recent positive commentaries, and coming in from HUL as well as its parent company Unilever. Now they believe that there are several positive reads through that they are seeing coming in from the management, and some of the key highlights what they're talking about is one, the focus on Indian operations was highlighted as a key part of Unilever's presentation as well as the takeaways, and they highlighted that Unilever will be making a strong position in India, and they are going to be focusing on to position a faster growth by 2030. Unilever's management also highlighted specific focus on growing its India business. Obviously, this is besides the US and China business, but they are going to be focusing on that, especially with support coming in from innovation, co-located R&D, as well as first call on capital as well. So very interesting commentary and positive commentary is what CLSA is saying that is coming in from Unilever. Now also if you talk about separately about HUL, now HUL in its update also highlighted that they are going to be accelerating focus on strengthening its supply chain moat with share gains across the portfolios, and extracting synergy benefits from their nutrition portfolio as well. So that is an interesting commentary coming in from HUL's management as well, and surely we are seeing some positive move is what CLSA is also expecting coming in from HUL. Now obviously if you look at it, current stock correction also in the near term is something that is an attractive buying opportunity is what CLSA is saying. Now strengthening fundamental structural prospect is quite bright, as well as near-term softness is an entry opportunity, and that is what CLSA is mentioning in its note, and that's why they have retained their buy stance on the on HUL. Now HUL's management in the recent investor update also has highlighted execution and supply chain edge through strengthening the coverage and expanding their rural reach and e-route in the market as well. So that is overall the structural is quite strong, fundamentals are quite strong. That is surely making CLSA also quite positive on the strong. They are quite positive on HUL strategy as well, and overall in the near term they do see that obviously there may be some weakness in the margins and the margin delivery across segments, but that is a calculated strategy to structurally drive the penetration in core categories and structurally gain market share is what CLSA is highlighting. Now obviously the overall thrust is to sustain the momentum and strengthen the consumer base as reflected by HUL's strengthening volume, consumer base, as well as strengthening volume share as well is what is highlighted by CLSA. So very interesting note coming in over there, and obviously they expect a strong 18% EPS CAGR over FY20 and FY23 between that. So that is why positive on the stock. They are retaining their buy stance on HUL.